Hello student, 5th standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. We learn here decimal numbers. Now we learn 13.7 division of decimal by 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. How to do the division of decimal point 10, 100, 1000? See, they're given you one number, okay? Four hundred 65.3 divided by 10. See here, divided by 10 means 465.3 10 means answer is there. Here 1 0 is there na, so 1 place decimal point left there, left on front side means 46.53 answer. This is a correct. Now see here, 465.3 means 465 by 3. Now this one go to the downside means you write there multiply, then 4653 divided by 100 and go to, here is 2 0, so left there 2 place means, understand, 2 ways are there, 2 ways, okay? But this one you do the calculation, here divided by 10, 1 0 means left there 1 point only, understand? Next one also same, 465.3 divided by 100. Now 465.3 divided by 100, go to the 2 points means 4.653, left 2 points on left side, hands left side, your numbers left side, okay? Now also see 4653 divided by 100, this one go back downside, so multiply there, you multiply that one, this one 0.1 now only, so here is 10, 4653 divided by 1000, 3 place left, both are same. Now also same, 4653.3 divided by 1000 is equal to divided by 1000, left there 3 point 0.4653 या फिर 4653 by 10 multiply by 1 by 1000, 4653 divided by 10,000, 4 0 is there available, so 0 point you left there 4 points, understand, all of you understand, okay? Now open your textbook, see here question number, first page number 69 open, question number first, write the quotient by shifting the decimal point, See here 847.8 divided by 10. There only tens number means you shift there only one place. 84.78. Next one 734.83 divided by 100. So you shift there 2 points, na? So 7.3483. All of you understand how to do? Here 2 0 shift there 2 point. Easy way. Divided by 100 means shift there 2 place. Divided by tens means shift there ones place. Divided by thousands means shift there 3 place. Now 0.37 divided by 10. 0.037. 2.48 divided by 100 means 0.0248. 32.16 divided by 1000. 3 point shift there. So take first 0, then 33.216. Now 0.67 divided by 1000. 0.1230, then 67. All of you understand? Now find the quotient without actual division. 32.56, 3.256, 0.68, 861.32 divided by 100. Now see 8.66132. 12.4 divided by 100. 0.124. 7312.1 divided by 1000. 7.33121. 123.8 by divided by 1000. 0.1238. G2J is your homework. Now write down the dividends detected by your teacher and find the quotient without actual division. This one is a only student solve here. Okay. First one 0.25 divided by 10. Write this number and write your answer. Write your own answer. Okay. 13.125 divided by 100. C1 19.43 divided by 1000. D1 325.19 divided by 100. E1 4168.0 divided by 1000. F1 191.18 divided by 100. G1 1.1 divided by 10. H1 183.01 divided by 1000. Write their answer. Okay. Next one. Skill test is there. See, what is the cost of one pencil? What is the cost of one pencil? What is the cost of one pencil? If 10 pencil cost of rupees 32.5. 32.5 divided by 10 means 3.25. 3.25 rupees. Next one, 475 liters of milk is equally distributed among 100 people, how many liters of milk did each one get? Did each one get? That time 475 divided by 100. 4.75 liter of milk did each one get. 785.3 kg of rice in equal measure was given to 1000 people. How many kg of rice did each one get? Did each one get? 785.3 divided by 1000. Right there 0.7853 gram. Yeah, kg. Kg is there na? Means kilogram. A car with an average speed required 95.5 liters of petrol to cover the distance of 100 km. How many liters of petrol was used to cover 1 km? 95.5 divided by 100. You got their answer? 0.955 liter. Understand? Next one. 2 less than a dozen mangoes cost of rupees 180.7. What is the cost of one mango? 180.7 divided by 12 divided by 2 less than 1 dozen means 180.7. 12 is there in 1 dozen minus 2 means 10 is there divided by 10. So write there 18.07. Rupees 18.07 is one mango's cost is there. Okay. Today's homework, page number 69, 70 and 71, this one only solve there. Okay. Thank you.